Hello 7th standard students. Today we will discuss about the lesson algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by four fundamental operations like plus, minus, into division, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So an algebraic expression is a combination of constants. Constant means the numbers and the variables, the alphabets, whatever you use. They are connected by four fundamental operations. The fundamental mathematical operations are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, into for multiplication, and division, isn't it? So example, these are the examples for algebraic expressions. X plus 3, 3x squared y plus 4y cube plus 9, 5a cube, 1 by 4a squared minus 3 by 4b plus 7c. So these are all the different types of algebraic expressions. Is it clear? Now coming to the different terms in the algebraic expression or the facts about the algebraic expressions. First, parts of an algebraic expression separated by the symbols plus or minus are called terms of an algebraic expression. So, in an algebraic expression, in between you get this plus and minus signs, isn't it? So, the part of the algebraic expression which is separated by plus and minus, they are called as the terms. So, in x plus 3, x is one term, 3 is one term. Here, 3x squared y is one term, 4y cube is one term, and 9 is another term. Here, only one term is there, 5a cube. Here, it is 1 by 4a squared, 3 by 4b, and 7c. These are the different terms. So this everything you have learnt in the 6th standard, but again I am revising it. Okay. Now an algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. एक ही term रहेगा तो उसको बोलते हैं monomial. Example 2xy, 5a squared or 100 ABC. So in this example 5a cube is a monomial. इधर प्लस माइनस नहीं आएगा, है ना? So एक ही term है, then it is called as a monomial. Now an algebraic expression having two terms is called a binomial. तो दो term रहेंगे जैसे 2x and 3y. It is added by connected by plus sign. So 2x plus 3y is a binomial. AB squared 2bc connected by plus sign. So two terms are there, that is why it is a binomial. Now an algebraic expression having three terms is called a trinomial. तीन term रहेगा जैसे कि a squared, 2ab and c squared connected by minus and plus signs. So three terms are there, then it is trinomial. Here 3x, 4y and 9, three terms connected by plus and minus. Again it is a trinomial. Now an algebraic expression having many terms is called a polynomial. तो बहुत सारे रहेंगे तो हम polynomial बोलते हैं. तो इधर the x to the power 4 plus 3xy cube plus y squared plus xy plus 4. तो 3 से भी ज़्यादा है तो तभी बोलेंगे polynomial. Now coming to the examples. Add minus 8x squared plus 6y squared plus 5 and 2x squared minus 3y squared. Last year you had, isn't it? So there are two methods. One is the column method, the other is horizontal method. Now what is column method? ऊपर नीचे लिखकर ऐड करने का. हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड मतलब एक ही लाइन में लिखने का है. अभी लिखो फर्स्ट वाला कैसे, -8x² + 6y² + 5. And now this one second algebraic expression, x² के नीचे x² लिखने का. So 2x² will be written next to below -8x² and -3y² should be written below +6y². Now for +5 there is nothing, leave it as it is. If you want you can put +0, otherwise leave it. Now in addition, ordinary addition, so first you have to see the numbers. Here it is -8 and here it is +2. So integer lesson you remember, isn't it? So -8 and +2. So what we have to do? Different signs. So look for the difference. बड़ा नंबर 8 है, 8 का साइन है माइनस, पहले माइनस डालो. 8 - 2 is 6 and what is the variable in this? x², right? Now here plus and minus, again different signs, look for the difference. 3 और 6 में बड़ा 6 है, 6 का साइन प्लस है, डालो प्लस. 6 - 3 is 3 and y² and +5 as it is. Clear? Now coming to the horizontal method. Horizontal method, how we have to write? Write with the putting the circle, the bracket. Okay. So my first term, first algebraic expression, put it within one bracket and second within another bracket. Now you rearrange. तो अभी -8x² लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ करने का, +2x² ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस 6y², now -3y² ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड +5. अंडरस्टूड? लाइक टर्म्स x² के एक साथ, y² के एक साथ, नंबर का 2 रहेगा तो दोनों को एक साथ. अभी सेम -8 + 2 difference, so it will be -6x². Here +6 - 3 difference, now it will be +3y² +5. Here in both the cases the answer will be the same. Method is different but the answer will be same. Clear? That is example number 1. Now coming to example 2. Subtract 6p² - 13p³ + r from -12p² + 5p³ - 14r. So first we will do the column method. So from के बाद जो भी दिया है उसको पहले लिखने का. एडिशन में फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट, सेकंड का सेकंड, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्ट में आप लोगों को देखने का है कैसे फॉर्मेट दिया है. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन डाल के दिए हैं तो फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट लिखेंगे, लेकिन हियर इट इज अ सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम ऐसे. सो फ्रॉम के बाद वाले ऊपर लिखो. सो -12p² + 5p³ - 14r, फिर नीचे 6p² 13p³ + r. इधर भी अरेंज करने के वक्त देखो वेदर इट इज कमिंग लाइक टर्म्स, एक के नीचे एक आने का है. अभी सब्ट्रैक्शन में मेथड क्या था याद है लास्ट ईयर का? सो सब्ट्रैक्शन में सेकेंड अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का नीचे वाले का अभी साइंस चेंज करने का. 6 का साइन प्लस है तो चेंज इट टू माइनस. इधर माइनस है, चेंज इट टू प्लस. हियर इट इज प्लस, change it to minus. Now do the addition. So minus means what? Add. Look for the sum. So minus 12 + 6 is 18 p squared. Now plus and plus, so sum, add, sign is plus, 13 plus 5 is 18 p cube. Then minus minus, again sum, sign is minus, 14 plus 1 15 r. Clear? Now coming to the horizontal method. So write the question putting the bracket and in between it is minus sign. Now there is a extra step. So first you write the algebraic expression, first one, removing the bracket as it is. Okay. Now next algebraic expression, the sign has to be changed. So 6p squared minus and plus minus. So अंदर वाले का सबका साइन ऑपोजिट आएगा. तो इधर माइनस माइनस it is plus 13p cube. Now minus plus minus r. Okay. So here open the bracket. एडिशन में प्लस रहता है तो अंदर का साइन सब सेम रहेगा, लेकिन इधर सब्ट्रैक्शन में सेकेंड अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का साइन सब ऑपोजिट आएगा. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज यू हैव टू चेंज दैट. नाउ रीअरेंज लाइक टर्म्स, पुट इट विद द ब्रैकेट. सो माइनस 12p स्क्वायर्ड माइनस 6p स्क्वायर्ड ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस, now this is 5p cube and here it is plus 13p cube bracket close, again plus minus 14r minus r. So इधर बीच में सब ब्रैकेट के बीच में प्लस साइन ही डालो और जो साइन है उसके हिसाब से अंदर ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख के ले लो. Now it is minus minus, sum, addition, sign is minus, 12 plus 6 is 18p squared, plus plus, add, it will be plus 18p cube, minus minus, sum, add, but the sign is minus, 14 plus 1, 15 r. Are the answers same? Yes. Now multiplication. In multiplication, what we have to do? First multiply the, remember, isn't it? First multiply the numbers. Put it in the bracket. Then like terms. X, not the like terms, the x के कौन कौन है? x squared into x. फिर y into y. Is it clear? Now 5 4s are 20, x squared plus into x, either x squared, either x1. So remember last year's topic. So when the bases are same, the powers we have to add, isn't it? So x to the power 2, x to the power 1. So it will be x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. Now y to the power 1, y to the power 1, y 1 plus 1, power is 1 plus 1 is y square. नहीं तो भी आप लोग ये भी बोल सकते हैं, that is the rule, but otherwise इधर 2x इधर 1, so 3 times x, here 2 times y. Okay. So x cube y squared. The answer is 20x cube y squared. Please, addition, subtraction, multiplication and all, be confident, because now you are getting into the higher sums and all, the difficult ones. So simple ones, be confident. Now coming to solve, again multiplication. So what we have to do? First, bracket open, minus 3 into 7 into a. What are there? A into a squared, b. Only b is there and only c is there. isn't it? Now, in multiplication of integers, minus plus, answer is minus. 3 sevens are 21. A base is same, 1 plus 2. It is A cube. Then it is B and C. So the answer is minus 21, A cube, B, C. Clear? Now coming to example 5. Find the product of 6x squared y into 2 by 3 xy squared into minus 5y z squared. So write the question putting the multiplication sign in between. Now put the bracket and write 6 into 2 by 3 into minus 5 bracket close into now x squared into here it is x, here x is not there, close the bracket. Now y, it is a y in the second one, y squared, in the third it is y. Now z, only z squared, it is there in the last one, right? Now solve this. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Now first you see the symbol. So it is plus plus minus. So the answer will have minus, isn't it? Now 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20, x square and x1, x to the power 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, so x cube. Now y, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now here it is z square. So minus 20 x cube y to the power 4 z square. Clear? Now the question number 6. Find the product and also verify the result putting this value. So first we will find the product. Write the question. Same bracket open, 5 into minus 3 by 5 into 2 bracket close into x squared into, here it is not there, here. Now y, here y, in the second one it is y squared, in the third it is not there. Now z, first it is not there, so z in the second, the third one it is z squared. Please concentrate, don't miss any alphabets, okay? Now 5 ones are, 5 ones are, sign is minus plus minus, 3 twos are 6, x squared and x means x, 2 plus 1, 3. Now here y, 1 plus 2 is 3 and z, 1 plus 2 it is 3. So you got minus 6 x cube y cube z cube. Now verify the result. So put the values, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 2. For verification you have to write LHS and RHS, isn't it? So LHS, write the question as it is, 5x squared y bracket close minus 3 by 5 y squared z into 2xz squared. Okay. Now you should be very careful. Now put a square bracket. 5 into x squared is 1 squared into y is minus 1 into square bracket open minus 3 by 5 into y squared. Y is how much? Minus 1 square into z is 2. Square bracket close. Again put multiplication sign. Now square bracket open. 2 into x is 1 and z squared, that is 2 squared. Okay. Now it is a square bracket open 5 into 1 squared is 1 minus 1, isn't it, into square bracket open minus 3 by 5 into minus 1 squared. It will be 1. Minus minus becomes 1 plus, okay, into 2. Remember, 2 times minus means it will be plus. So here 2 into 1 into 2 squared is how much? 4. 2 squared is 4. Okay, now it is a how much it is? 5 minus 5 into, here it is a minus 6 by 5 into 8. Cancelled. It will be minus minus plus 48. Now RHS, write the question, minus 6x cube y cube z cube. It is minus 6 into x cube is 1 cube, z cube minus 1, isn't it, minus 1 cube into z is 2 cube. Now minus 6 into, this is 1. Now here minus 1 3 times. It will be minus 1 into 2 cube is 8. So you got minus minus plus 6. So plus and 6 8s are 48. So LHS is equal to RHS. Is it clear? So in a verification, you should be very careful when you put the numbers, multiplication, sign, everything. Okay. Now coming to example 7. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is y and the breadth is half of its length. So length is y, breadth is half of length. Length is y, so y by 2. Now you know the formula, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So it will be how much? Length is y and breadth is y by 2. Now multiply. How much it will be? Y 2 times, that is y squared by 2. Or you can write 1 by 2 y squared square units, because it is a area. So you will be writing square units. Either you can write like this or like this. It is the same. Is it clear? So we completed example 7. So we have completed all the examples. Hope everyone understood. Worksheet 1 we will see in the next video. Okay then. Hope everyone understood. Yes or no? Okay then. Bye. Thank you. Take care.